Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to business. A lot of people complain that the edit button to change to business account is not showing. So I'm going to be showing you multiple methods on how you can fix this and then how you can upgrade your eBay personal account into business. Before I start, I just want to mention that if you are just selling low, like if you are not going to sell like huge amount of products, you don't really need a business account. A personal account is more than enough if you want to sell like your personal items. The only like advantage of having a business account is the selling limit. From my experience, when I changed the personal account to business account, I have like 700,000 selling limit, like $700,000 selling limit each month, compared to only $48,000 with personal account. It's a big difference, especially if you are doing drop shipping, like you are selling other people's products on your eBay. That's exactly what I do. So it makes sense for me to upgrade to business account because I'm selling a lot of products every single day. So I just want to mention that because a lot of people want to upgrade to business account thinking they can get like better visibility or get more sales. It doesn't really make any difference from my own experience. Okay, by the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, I will try to reply to you and fix your problem. Any question you have, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you. Now, to change to business account, first you want to click on my eBay in the top right. Just move your mouse there and then click on summary. Now after you click on summary, you want to click on account here. After that, you want to click on personal information. Now after you are in this page here, probably you will ask you to log in. So after you are here, if you can see here, edit button next to individual here, account type, as you can see, okay, account type. If you can see here, edit here, click on it and then change it to business, and then you want to fill your business details. Now if you cannot see here edit, that means you have a new eBay account, you don't have any sales history on eBay. Another way is if you already have sales, it's about your browser. You want to change it to Firefox. A lot of people have this problem. Just download Firefox browser. Okay, it's like after that you want to open your eBay here and then do the exact same steps and you will be able to find the edit button. Okay, so another way, if this doesn't work, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this very quickly. Just scroll down at the very bottom. You want to search for contact us. Okay, like you can talk to a real person that will send you a customer link and then you can just click on it and then upgrade to business account. You can just ask for that. You can also call them directly. Okay, just scroll down again and then you want to click on contact us, and then you can either talk to you can just send a message, or you can, for example, like here, just select whatever and then click on chat with our automated system. Now you just need to chat with a robot and then they will get you to a real person. Okay, it says here, hi, I am eBay's automated assistant. I only understand English but can help with any issues you might have. I can also connect you with an agent. That's exactly what you need to do. You will just need to talk to the robot, explain something like, I want to talk to someone, and then they will get you to a real person that will go and check your account and tell you exactly what to do. Okay, and then probably you will send you a customer link. Okay, you can also contact them directly. Click on call and then you can enter your number and then they will call you directly, and then you can explain to them what you want, which is to upgrade from personal to business account. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and make sure you drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.